Hey everybody, welcome to another plum crazy adventure. We are in Cozumel, Mexico.
Yes.
So excited.
Yes, it is warm. Very warm.
It's hot. So this will be a very short intro. So we are actually day 3 of our cruise on the Scarlet Lady. We are going to go check out the port a little bit, maybe do a little bit of shopping, and see what else we get into before it just gets too hot and we decide to go back to the cruise because let's go.
Yep, it's warm.
There's our Scarlet Lady. They have all of these different compasses through here. I think it's really cool. Also check out the ropes that's holding our ship in. It's wild. As you can see, that's where we're headed. And I do believe that is a ferry if we wanted to go over to Cancun or a part of Quintana Roo shopping center. Scott just told me welcome to another country. However, you can still find Starbucks. Cute. Here's the Plaza La Fiesta supermarket. I love her. She's so pretty. Apparently they are also a tequila outlet. So Scott found the Coca-Cola products. Look how different the Powerade looks. Yep. And they call Diet Coca-Cola Light. Banana and Company Bakery. Even here, there's an AT&T.
Get it home.
We wouldn't, that's the problem. Very talented artists here. Particularly like that one. Here's Alberto's Restaurant, Bar and Club. Looks like a pretty happening place later on. I think it is so funny that they have a Starbucks coffee and then a Hooters next door. We'll check out Plaza La Fiesta. See what we can get into in here. Candy. She's really cool.
How's she cold?
And right over here is Senor Frogs. Also where you can pick up taxi service if you want to go and explore the island a little bit. Alright, he's pretty cool. I realize he's smoking. Kids don't smoke. But he's already dead. Look at this little guy. He says, "Don't take my candy." We found coconuts. is our beautiful lady ship. And there's that beautiful water I was telling you about earlier. It is so pretty. Hot, but pretty.
It's pretty hot.
Right here, en el mar, en el air, en el tierra. Las Maquintan Zona Aval. So this is part of the Mexican military fleet, marine fleet. It's pretty interesting. There she is. Well, we did a little bit of shopping. We got some things for the kiddos because we are celebrating a big birthday party with all the cousins. Scott has found something in the water. I can't tell what that is. And we're headed back to the ship because it is hot. There's a little bit of a breeze here, but there is no breeze whatsoever in the shopping area. So we're gonna head back to the ship, cool off, and then probably get some lunch. So we're relaxing inside the ship in the AC because, man, it's warm out there today. But as soon as you would board, this is the big red table you can go to if you're having any issues with your apps, things like that. And then this is also where you can do your short excursions if you didn't order or go ahead and get any. As you can see, we all have to be back on board by 8:30 p.m. tonight. And then it has taken 1,060 days of mermaid power to build the Scarlet Lady. And look at this grand staircase going down to deck 6. Over here is where you can look at possibly getting some vinyl. There's some Johnny Marr, Janet Jackson. Ooh, The Clash. Can't have a vinyl shop without some David Bowie, right? This is also the home of Drought House. So if you are really into authentic beers, this might be a good place for you. I see Heineken, Boulevard, Strongbow, and a couple that I cannot name. Oh, there's a Pops Porter. So if you like porter, there's an option. The spaces outside and in are just beautiful. Since it's not crazy busy, let's check out the elevators here. So this is midship. This is the only one that's going to have 6 elevators. And this does kind of help you figure out where you need to go. The midship is also the only ones that'll go up to 16. Here's another little lounge spot just off of where you would board. I love that. Eat, drink, nap. That has been the motto of our cruise so far, I think. But look at these chairs. Everything is so comfortable. And speaking of comfortable, I think I found someone. Are you comfortable?
Yeah. I'm going to steal this port window and take it off. It's awesome.
It is so rare to see these places without people in them, so taking advantage on our little afternoon stroll before our afternoon nap, because we're definitely going to do that. As you can see, more seating, but this is where the Grounds Club is. You can get some specialty coffees as well as some delicious looking pastries. They had me at croissant. These swings are so much fun. Ironic that you sat down at the Love, or planned?
No, that wasn't planned.
Oh, that's too fun. Once you're done playing a game, they ask that you bring them back here and that you only leave them on deck 7. Like, you can't take them to your room and play them.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Think I can do it? Oh.
Not quite.
Let's try it again. Wow. That's good.
That one went right off. I don't think this is your game.
I need to practice.
Okay.
Hey, I know you. Mm-hmm. I want that. Alright, we're in trouble. Megan found the arcade. You do, huh? Well, we'll have to see. Mario Brothers. Check out the old table.
True to our word, after having a ton of fun in the arcade, we decided to go back to our room and have a nap. But we were able to get some great shots of the sunset, and then we decided that we were going to do dinner in our cabin rather than going to Gun Bay, which I do realize this was our 13-year anniversary dinner, but what a plum crazy way to do it. We had so much fun. We got to watch some TV and just spend some time with each other, which was really great. And a nice way for us to celebrate 13 years. So as always, we really hope that you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed making it. And if you're thinking about maybe going on a vacation like this, reach out to us because we would love to be able to work with you. As always, are you ready for your next plum crazy adventure? Because we're ready to get you here.